Hello, Judy here from Thistledew Creations. I'm just packaging up some napkins for an upcoming napkin swap. I can't remember which group it is now. It's Crafty something. Crafty Fun Group or one of those. Anyway, it's an event that we have to swap 5 autumn napkins, 1 ply. And so I'm just getting, I signed up for 2. I'm going to make 2 extra, or I have made 2 extra envelopes, which just in case there's another swap, and if there isn't, then I will use them as random acts of kindness envelopes in early October, likely. I can just use my list of people who have traded with me before. So I thought I would just show you what I'm including and how I do it. So I just took the backings off of this larger size napkin that I picked up at my local grocery store, actually. And it was in a recent haul. So it's got pumpkins all over it. And I'll show you the other ones I'm including in these packets. So there's the pumpkins, and then there's one that has pumpkins and sunflowers and acorns and eucalyptus. It's a nice fall scene. These ones are from Temu. The Hello Pumpkin with the blue pumpkin, the orange, and well, this one's just sort of clear, and then a white one. And then this one is Dollar Tree, I believe. Dollar Tree or Dollarama, one or the other. These two are. So there's 5 napkins in this packet. And so what I've done is I've also included some goodies, some little pumpkin fussy cuts that I've cut out. And then a little note saying, thanks for trading, happy crafting. Check out my napkin play playlist on YouTube. And then just my little YouTube channel snippet. And then I signed it. And that's just on some paper out of a notebook that I had. And so what I figured out is that if I fold these in half and then fold this one over about this much and then put this over top of it like that, then it all slides in fairly easily into these larger envelopes. These were probably Christmas card envelopes. They're very thin, but I'm not too worried about these things getting damaged. And I've just made, it's Crafty Goodness. I did make a note on this. That's the name of the event on Facebook. Crafty Goodness Napkin Swap. So I've got 4 of these packages ready. I'm not sure that they're all identical selections, but that's how I'm packaging them up. And I'm not sealing them yet, just until I find out who it is that I'm sending to. And then if that person wants to do a larger swap or something, then I might not end up putting this envelope with the postage. It might be a different envelope. So I just always kind of do some prep work when I'm home for the day, and today's my day off. I'm working all weekend. So I just got 4 of them ready to go, and all in the same envelope, so that is ready to go. I've got another package that I've had packaged up for a while, for another swap that I've never been notified that, who I'm supposed to send this stuff to. So I try to get them ready, and then sometimes they sit. And then I've got, Halloween ephemera is another one that I've got ready today. I'll just go ahead and show you that one too. It's for a swap that the partners haven't been announced yet as well. So there should be a video on all of these. One of my little Boo ghost cards, and a cluster with pumpkins and leaves and mesh and lace, and another cluster with a ghost and a jack-o'-lantern and a Halloween sticker and some lace and some mesh, and Halloween different it's a cluster, I guess, but it's just a different format, a rectangular format. So some bats and some apples and a pumpkin and velour fabric and burlappy fabric and ticking stripe and silky fabric. So lots of different textures and elements on that one. Great. And as you can see, the back isn't really fancy. It's meant to be glued down to a page or used as a tuck spot. And then this is my favorite thing that I've done this season, is these little bone, I called them dem bones notebooks, and there's a video on those. And I've got a bunch more prepped. I've got to get them made up because I think I want to give these out around locally too, just to my friends and stuff. And so they're just little waterfall notebooks that I've done some hand sewing onto these little Dollar Tree bones. So really happy with that little selection of, I think it was supposed to be 5 items as well. And actually the other thing I have to do with these ones for that swap is I'm supposed to package them up so that they look like store-bought or pretty. So I'll have to figure out a way to present them on a cardstock or under acetate or something. So I'll work on that maybe next. I think my to-do list for this morning is all finished up. I packaged up artist trading cards and I packaged up Halloween stuff to send to Rami for a swap. Well, not a swap. I'm granting wishes on that one. No, that wasn't Rami. That was Kim McCanna. Sorry. And Rami got some guitar stuff for her Taylor Swift journal, I think it is, that she's doing. So it's really kind of cool that you end up making friends, and these people are all across Canada, which is kind of nice, and even into the States as well. Got a couple people over in Europe sending me things, and I sent ATC to Australia this morning, so having a lot of fun. So anyway, that's a quick one. Just wanted to show you the napkins mainly, and I'll probably post this after we receive our napkins, just to have a record of what was sent and what was received and all that sort of thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy your day.